Good morning, my dear children. Today I am going to teach you chapter 3rd of computer maintenance. Children, computer is a very sensitive and delicate machine. You should always take care when you are using it. Keep the following points in your mind and while working on computer. Don't put your finger into any slot. Don't pull any wire connected to the CPU. Don't touch wire or cable of CPU. You may get an electric shock. This is a wire. Don't pull any wire. Press any the key of the keyboard gently. Pressing them and hard may damage the keyboard. Don't eat or drink near the computer. It can attract rats or ants, and all these are harmful for computer parts, and its wires link of food item may also damage the computer parts. Cover your computer properly after use. Remove dust from your computer every day. Use a brush or soft cloth to remove the dust. Clean properly. Always sit straight while working on computer to avoid backache. Sit at an appropriate height. Choose the right chair for yourself. This is a wrong way to sit on in front of computer. Maintain the minimum required distance from the computer screen. Give rest to your eyes after working on the computer for some time, because working long hours on computer may harm your eyes. Don't keep your hand on the mouse continuously. Give some rest to your hand. This is the right way. Don't disturb others while playing loud music. Give space to your classmates while they are using computer. Share the computer with your friends, and in school every day should get an equal chance to learn and enjoy. Children, read this chapter and do reading practice of difficult words like damage, pressing, keyboard, cables, wire, properly, maintain, minimum. These are some difficult words. Do reading practice properly, and I will send exercise in a school app, so complete in your note. Thank you and have a nice day.